guys remember the last time we tried to come out of this truck stop? We had a pothole right here in the driveway and shook everything like crazy. It looks like they now have her paved. So beautiful. Man, we hit that hole and we was not prepared for it. So met a guy there at the fuel pumps. Landstar driver. He was asking me about my own authority versus versus being leased to Landstar. So
right.
I don't know if it was better, you know. So I need to make a video.
Take the entrance to the right in 360 feet.
Another video showing the month, you know. And I guess comparing numbers, you know, when I was leased to Landstar this time last year versus my own authority. But the point, it doesn't really matter to me which number's better, is which one I think is better. Get that mic down here, you know. Because, in my opinion, it's good to be the boss, you know. Let's see if that's our helicopter. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a helicopter. Check it out, guys. Saw him down there at where I spent the night last night. Big helicopter. Where was that? Oh yeah, it was TA there in Missoula. Is that right? I need myself a helicopter. Come on. Where's my helicopter at? But anyway, so you guys see these trucks right here on the side of the road? I've been here before as a Landstar driver, and there'd be nowhere to park. And you cannot do that right there at Landstar because that's zero tolerance. Automatic termination. They don't care, you know. So yeah, I don't have to worry about that no more, you know. Park this bad boy wherever I want to. Of course, as long as it's safe, you know, I would do that. And that back there was safe. But anyway, so yeah, you know, I'm gonna say that the numbers are better. Because even my rates per mile are I'm gonna say is better, because if I'm making $2.20 a mile, Lord, that's got to be like $3.10 a mile Landstar rates. And you know, you can do that with Landstar. You can cherry pick the board and do quite well with those, with the Landstar system. You can do phenomenal. You know. You guys want to see the helicopter again? I thought there's a way station there somewhere. So you know, so yeah, I need to show the numbers just for those guys that are concerned about that. But what I'm saying is, how could it not be better? You know, is the point. So some guys say they can't do the paperwork. Well, I don't feel that there's no paperwork involved. You know, and some guys say, oh, well, they can't keep up with billing. Well, I don't see that's an issue either. But for guys that can't do that, there's factoring companies. You know, if you want to throw your money away and pay someone to keep up with who's paging who hadn't, you know, base plates come once a year. If the fuel taxes come once a quarter, and that's so easy to do. 2290 comes once a year. You know, you got New Mexico, Oregon, Kentucky, New York. Those come once a year. You know. I mean, there's nothing to it. You know. So I don't understand that argument. But anyway, so my point is that I don't know how this could not be better. You know. In my opinion, it's the greatest thing since sliced bread, you know. Another one of his concerns was that, well, you hear that it's nobody wants to work with you. Well, I'm 6 months old, and I called on a load today And it was a cheap load. I would have took it anyway, but they said, oh, well, you know, they got to tell me that, well, their partner just covered it, blah, blah. I said, well, go ahead and send me a carrier pack. And they said, well, they asked me MC number and told them, I said, oh, well, you got to be a year old. Oh, that's cool. I wouldn't have hollered or jumped. Like I said, they're cheap, you know. But I mean, they don't want to use me. I mean, hey, they're lost. So, anyway, so yeah, man. I mean, that's about all I got to say about all that. I guess I'm just going to show the numbers and like I said, what are the numbers? Because I haven't looked at myself, so I don't care, you know. So I feel like I'm doing better. My checkbook's gotten fatter than it's ever been before in his life, and a lot of that could be due to the truck, you know. But yeah, I'll show the numbers, but I don't know how it could not be better, you know. But anyway, so there you go, guys. We just fueled up there in North Bend, Washington, and now we're going to go down here to Fife, Washington. We're there in 39 miles, and that Love's is like 3 blocks from where I got to unload. But that Love's down there's like this TA's. It's about the only 2 truck stops there are in the area, and they're, you can't get that Love's at 10 o'clock in the morning. If you get in there, you're extremely lucky, you know. And I'll go scout it out tomorrow when I get empty, but the odds will be slim, you know. So there you go. Just enjoying a beautiful day, and just thought I'd chime in on that. On authority versus lease to Landstar numbers, you know. We'll check on plugging that for you, see what it looks like. But anyway, I can ramble on about that all day. We're going to stop right there. See you.
Now, you're watching Idiotic Ramblings with Life is Good. Tim, you're the man.
Is it going to work this time? We are on our final mile. This light will ever turn green. If we turn right here, the Love's is about 3 or 4 blocks that way. We're going to go left, and our customer is a half a mile down here on the left. I mean on the right. And I just saw something as I got off the ramp here. Oh yeah, we got. There's a Peterbilt dealership right here. So we don't need anything, but man, if we did, that'd be awesome, wouldn't it? We could get unloaded and then come to the Peterbilt dealership. So I'm hoping that there's commercial fuel pumps but no parking. I'm hoping that we can park here. I Google mapped it, and it looks like we can fit. Where'd that Peterbilt dealership go?
In 900 feet, turn right on Industry Drive East and then approaching the destination on the right.
Well, that Peterbilt dealership,
30 feet.
there it is, right there on the left. Let me check that out. There's the Peterbilt dealer. Parts and service, and they're open. We don't need a bloody thing. No, which is a good thing, right? That's a good thing. Why do I have a feeling I should have went straight? Because I Google mapped it looked like. But it's new.
Approaching destination in 800 feet on the right side.
Looking for 3600. I don't trust these GPSs when it comes to exact pinpoint address, you know. That's 3400 building. We're looking for 3600 building. And so yeah.
Arrived at your destination on the right side.
And there it is right there.
East.
I think this is going to be the... So, cool. Let's go on down to that other one. So we got a little bit more of a swinging room. But we could park right here where that guy's at, you know. Brown Valley. So now the trick is to park where these 6-wheelers are and see what happens in the morning, you know. Beautiful. Beautiful. And there's someone here. That's even better. Alright. See y'all in a bit. know who this guy is. But he pulled up. So there you go, man. We'll put you on TV. Thanks for the shout out.